Hello, and welcome back to Cooking with Caitlyn.
I'm Liv.
And I'm Caitlyn. And today, we're gonna be making some buffalo chicken pizza. Liv, what do we need?
Garlic.
We got some. So get a freaking spoon. Got some garlic. So we're gonna use the garlic to rub it on the crust so that it's like garlicky crust, you know?
Oh yeah. Okay.
So put some, just a little bit.
Yeah.
No, some more than that.
No, I was just trying to get the juice in there.
So just put a few globbles on. You can smell it if you weren't watching it from a camera, but
Yeah. It's pretty reek. There's so much. Wow. Okay. Okay. Well,
let me get it on the edge. Imagine if I broke it all over Jack's new kitchen floor. By the way, we're in a new kitchen. Jack moved into a new house. It's a nice kitchen, isn't it?
beautiful.
Want to see what my favorite part is? Wow. But Jack won't let me use it because he says it's not clean. Alright, now we're gonna put the sauce on. This is my grandma's homemade recipe sauce. She just put it in a jar though. Put it all the way to the end. You gotta make sure there's still room for the crust.
I'm making room for the crust.
Oh yeah, what's that?
Okay, that's one spot. You try to do it. Okay, really? Like. Yeah.
Now we need the freaking cheese. What?
No, I was trying to get you the same thing.
So, today Liv went on a run in the woods. And I just took my dog for a walk because I don't like to go on runs.
Actually, that's funny because I saw you sitting in a lawn chair in front of your truck, so that's really funny.
Wait, you guys saw me then? Where were you?
I told you when we came out to that middle part, we went around where the pond is.
So you guys saw me sitting around?
Yeah, in the blue chair.
Alright, but I also took a walk.
Yeah, it was like literally 5 minutes.
No, I took 2 walks.
Oh.
Yeah. Riley led me on a little adventure.
I bet he did.
It was pretty cool. I almost got lost. I can put the whole other bag on if you want too, but I think you should just keep your mouth shut.
Wow, that looks good.
It does. I'm a real freaking Italian. Now we need the chicken. I killed the chicken myself. Wow. Cute. Can you break that? It's kind of weird.
Okay.
You know, I was supposed to get a chicken and his name was gonna be Mr. Wiggles. And I was gonna take him for walks. Oh my gosh, Jack, Liv, tell Jack about the cat on the leash.
So we were at a brickyard, like what, yesterday?
Yeah.
And there was this couple, and they had a cat on a leash.
The cat first pulls up in a booster seat.
Yeah, it was in a booster seat, like buckled in.
We need a bowl. We need to put the buffalo chicken, we need to put the bowl, like the chicken in a bowl with buffalo sauce to get it really buffalo-y, and then you put the chicken down, and then you put more as drizzled on the pizza. So we need a freaking bowl.
I have the same bowl too, that's different.
Well, I guess, what is it? Just like when you buy a house,
You just get these.
America gives you one of these bowls. So then the lady had treats for the cat.
Yeah, she was literally dragging the cat by its
It was so funny.
and it was like trying to like
She's like, come on,
dig its
come on.
nails
And the cat's just like, what the f is this? Like, what is going on?
They had a whole harness on, like, it was so extra.
She's like, we're gonna need the treats. To her husband. They're like, got so much to the neck.
This is the most ghetto thing.
Dude, you wanna see how I make prison ramen? Like, you get ramen, you get hot sauce, you get some freaking jerky, and some other shit, and it's pretty good. Make a good like sandwich thing.
That could be next episode.
Right?
Might be nice. Just put that in there. Like I'm gonna.
I need to put some more chicken in there. Dang it, I didn't break this piece up. I think I use a fork to take it out of the bowl and
That's a huge piece of chicken.
Alright, are you gonna help? Here, you want your own piece? It's alright, why does it matter if the pieces of chicken are big?
Because...
Dude. I go to Buffalo Wild Wings all the time. Luke hates Buffalo Wild Wings, but me and Jack go. If Liv goes to Buffalo Wild Wings, she gets a quesadilla. Like, who the f goes to Buffalo Wild Wings and gets a chicken quesadilla?
Exactly, so I don't like it. That's why I get a quesadilla. Like, they're...
That's a lot of chicken.
Oh my god.
What?
That's so much chicken, Caitlyn. Oh my
You're the one that told me to.
Yeah, I know, but maybe we should stop and just put sauce on what's there.
Alright. Well, you know what? I just don't understand how you don't have any ranch. Damn, look at that. Too bad we don't have any ranch. Hey! The pizza's done. Now we gotta figure out how to cut it.
Okay, wait.
Yeah, you just gotta wait. Hang on. I think it's like part. It's like kind of hard to cut. I think.
No.
Yeah, it is. See, look. See how it's tearing.
Okay. So you just...
Wait, hang on. It's not. It's just freaking tearing.
Okay, so I'm just gonna start.
Just cut it. Imagine getting stabbed with a knife that had like hot sauce all over it. How
No,
bad
do you
it
know
would burn.
Remember when we were in freaking South Providence? My little friend was talking about.
Yeah, all of a sudden,
Stabbed.
they're like, oh yeah, you didn't hear? Yeah, dude, you got stabbed. And then he's like, can you still see? Obviously, you can still see, like, he just got stabbed, like, here, and, like, here, and, like, here.
His neck, like, all...
And all of a sudden, the guy finds a pipe and starts, he's like, oh my gosh, it's my pipe. And he starts skipping down the street with his freaking pipe. And it's, like, this big dude. And then all of a sudden, his crazy ex-girlfriend starts driving down the street, like, really fast and throwing shit at him from, like, the car.
Yeah, I can't.
And then the kid that got in the car with us, who's pipe guy's best friend, apparently slept with her too. Like, dude, we're in this car, like, with so many random people pulling up. Oh boy.
It's chilly.
Oh, my
That's fine.
freaking sock. The chicken's on the ground right there, see it? Can we just give Hank a shout out real quick? Because he's my best friend. Zoom in on Hank real quick. And get Hazel in there too, because she's a little cutie pie. Alright, so I guess we're gonna have to try it. Doesn't look that appealing. Oh my gosh. Like, what is this? Like, it's not disgusting, but like,
It's just weird.
just not good.
Regular this rest.
Yeah, like, See, maybe like a thin crust pizza. Or like a thin crust pizza would be better for buffalo since you could have a ton of toppings on it. And maybe also if you have ranch or like blue cheese as the sauce instead of like the freaking pasta sauce. It's just weird. I don't know. Bye-bye. Wait, hang on. I gotta say hi to Bree and my grandpa because they're both my like biggest supporters. Hi guys. Say hi to them.
Hi. Hi, Bree and Grandpa.
Alright, bye.